Okay, today we're going to show you the wiring for saddlebag lights. We had a couple requests. Um, so I'm going to try and show you the details of how the wiring plugs in. It's actually very simple. So let me turn this around and show you. This is on a 2016 Electric Glide. Same pretty much for all the Harley. The plugs are very similar. So we have our lights, and you can see the wiring comes down through the saddlebag. I actually have the wiring coming through the inside wall, through a grommet. It comes through, and that's the same on each side. So each saddlebag, this is the wire for the left side, this is the wire for the right side. And when your kit comes, it actually comes with a 4-plug conversion. The original plug on the bike, it would be this end and this end. Now these two would have been plugged together. So you look behind your battery and you unplug this. The conversion will actually have, this is the male end, which will plug in to the female end and then you also have the female end This is the original male end. This is the female end of the conversion, and those two will plug in. The other two plugs look like this. This is the plug from the left saddlebag, and the right one's underneath here, but it looks exactly the same. So you have 4 plug-ins, one from the right, one from the left, and then your connectors. So let me finish plugging this in. I gotta set this down temporarily. So that was plugging in the adapter to the original. We have all 4 plugged in now. Now I will tell you, on the adapter you also have one other plug-in, and that will line up to another plug. It's right here. Now this one should be empty. It'll be there as it may have a plug in it. You take the plug out and then plug the adapter into it. You will tell the difference because it'll have a different number of prongs. They can only go in one way. So we'll turn the bike on and we'll check the lights. And so there's your saddlebags with lights. These also will act as stop lights. Now, if your kit had turn signals included in the lights, it would have different wires. I hope this was helpful. Again, other than routing your wires through the saddlebags, not a difficult. These plugins once you know where they are pretty simple. Thanks for viewing. Have a good day.